So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can read the deleted chat on Snapchat. Now in order to do it, simply open Snapchat and go to Snapchat settings. Now it will look something like this. Here you need to scroll down until you see this option of my data right there. Simply click on my data. Now it will take some time and you have to simply enable this option of chat history, and you can also enable this option of media as well if you want to, but let me just quickly show you by chat history. Now once you do that, hit next right there and simply select the timeline of which that you have received that particular chat that is related. For example, let's say I just quickly show you like yesterday. Now here simply hit submit. Now once you do that, it will take some time and it will create a draft for you, and it will send you email right there. That will look something like this, that says your Snapchat data is ready to download, and you can directly download that data, extract the zip file, and you can check the deleted chats from there. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.